friend?
Okay, thanks for the record. My operator name is India, Foxtrot Delta, Papa 9. And my name is Fiodor, Russian name, Fiodor. Like Foxtrot, India, India, Oscar, Oscar, Delta, Delta, Oscar, Oscar, Romeo, Romeo, QSL?
Yeah, QSL. Well, I am recording. I didn't write it down, but we've got your details here on video. Yeah, I will certainly. I'll put that on YouTube for you. I will, and I will put it under. I will tag it under your QRZ, my friend. Is that okay?
Okay, no problem, no problem. You're 59 plus in South Italy, but I don't. I can't record you. I haven't got telephone. Give me your complete call.
Okay, station in there shouting 1 wee second please. My call 68 World Radio 048. That's World Radio 048, and we're in Northern Ireland. We're mobile, and my name is Marty. Mike Alpha Radio Tango Yankee, over.
Mike Alpha Radio Yankee?
Mary? No. Mike Alpha Radio Tango Yankee Marty QSL.
Marty. Give me your complete call.
Yeah, 68 Whiskey Romeo 048, over.
Okay, 68 Whiskey Romeo 048.
Yeah, 68 Ireland the North Irlando.
North Ireland, very strong signal. Good morning. Okay, my working condition are yellow FD857-D, power 100 whiskey at the moment, only 100 whiskey of the radio. Antenna 3 elements of spider beam all made at about 6 meters from the ground. I live in a city in province of Bay. My place is my flat is on the sea.
Fine business. Thank you for the information. Your radio sounding very, very good. As you will hear, we are recording here, still recording. Okay, we're running a little ICOM 706 Mark II-G. Standard microphone. At a minute, 70 whiskies, and the antenna there, Wilson 1000 mag mount on the roof of the car. Where we are there, we're about 20 miles northwest of Belfast, the capital here in Northern Ireland, over.
Okay, over. Thanks for the information. Your antenna works very good, very good. Okay, can we try, I try to down the power. Now my power is 5 whiskey. Can you listen me?
Yeah, without a problem, no problem. Go ahead and I'll give you a signal report. Yeah, still recording. You're 5758, my friend. 58.
Okay, now I'm with 100 whiskey. Can we try on Foxtrot mic mode?
Yeah, well, give me 1 second. I think there's another station. I don't know, maybe Northern Ireland, maybe looking to call you. Is there a break station or go?
Okay, Marty, follow me. You carry on there. I